Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel. This is my Infinix 7 Smartl Android smartphone. I unfortunately forgot my phone screen lock, due to which the phone cannot be used. So in today's video I will show you how to hard reset the phone again. First, turn off the phone. Then press power button and volume up button. Release the power button whenever the Infinix logo appears. No command. Press the volume up and power buttons together. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset by clicking on the volume button. Confirm Wipe Data/Factory Reset by clicking power button. Select Reboot System now. Please wait a moment.